Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to operate Powerwatch 2. All I understand that most of you have already got your Powerwatch 2 and are enjoying the watch like me. I think this watch has an edge on other peer watches, especially the no charge bit, which I think is huge. However, there are certain areas where metrics industries um, need to do a lot of need to do a lot to match it up with other brands. Um, Now, coming back to the purpose of this video is to show you how to operate your watch, as some of you may be struggling with few things. So I thought to come up with this video to guide you, and then you don't have to learn it the hard way. So Powerwatch 2 does come with the user manual, but I didn't find it easy to follow and learned about the watch operations the hard way, and I did end up with an issue which I'm going to show you towards the end of the video. So the first thing is Power User Manual. So the Power User Manual is with all of you, those who have got their watches delivered. First, we just skim through the manual and talk about the quality and extensiveness of it. You can see that it covers a lot of areas, but there is no information about how to fix issues, which obviously aren't included, as this is the first of its kind, and it is different from Powerwatch 1. But you can get some information here in this video, while more can be found on Facebook page, and the link can be found in the video itself. So the Facebook page can help you get some answers of any issues that you might face on or observe on your Powerwatch 2, and you can get instant responses from Powerwatch community. And though there is an official support available for Powerwatch 2, and they are quite swift in their responses as well, but I found that the community is far more better, because there are few people who have suffered or have had the same kind of issues that you might be facing. So it's always good to go back to the community, beside opening up your support case with Matrix. Um, the problem, I also had a problem with my watch, and was got resolved with the help of the community, and I remain thankful to them. So coming back to the watch, this watch has 4 buttons. This is what you can call it: select, this is back, this is scroll up, and this is scroll down. Select, back, scroll up, scroll down. So anything that you'd like to do will be done through the combination of these 4 buttons. So the first thing is how to read a message. So I'm going to press the top scroll button, and here you can see messages started appearing. I can select or go through the messages. You can see here. Okay, and if I want to open, I have to press this select button on the top right side. So that's how the message is read, and you can press the back button to come out from it. This is how you can go back and read all your messages. The message pop-up or indicator is going to disappear once you read all your messages. Here you can see it is gone or disappeared from here, showing that all the messages have been read. So the next important thing is the activities log, and you can access it through the down scroll button on your left side. Press it once, it'll show you steps, again calories. I press it again for heart rate and sleep. And then it doesn't go any further after getting you to this screen. And this is one of the screens that you can use to manipulate a few functions of the watch. So if I want to go further down into the settings mode, I have to press select, and the first thing is show use the pairing, show QR code. If you like to show the QR code, you can press it again and it will show you the QR code of your watch. You want to go back. Now if you want to move from here, you can use the down arrow button again. Do not disturb, airplane mode. You can go back to the previous one, airplane mode, language, if you want to turn off. And this is probably the best way to turn off your watch rather than using a key combination, which sometimes cause you issues with the watch itself. So do a soft watch turn off compared to the hard. Okay, so if you want to reset, you can select. All right, guys. So you saw how you can reset your watch, and there are a few other things: aeroplane mode, language, power off, factory reset that I just showed you. And it also tells you the version. So this 2.2.2 RO is the version where some of the previous glitches or bugs were resolved. Still, it's a bit buggy, I would say, but yeah, it's far more better compared to what it originally came with. So you have all these options. Beware that some of these functions do not work as they intend. So rather not get yourself in trouble. Okay, so this is one of the key item that I wanted to show you. Third operation that you can do with this watch is to turn it on for any particular activity that you are planning to do. So press the select button. Now you have outdoor run, outdoor walk, outdoor cycle, indoor run, outdoor walk. So I can select uh, once I reach to my desired activity, I can select, and by pressing the top right button, and there you can see it is in the mode. So if I want to come out from here, I can press the button again and I will be back on my main screen. So just a recap. If you want to go into notification mode, the top left scroll button is the answer. It will take you to the notification mode. You're going to come out, bottom right back button. If you want to access your activities logs and do some settings, let's say restart your watch, uh, turning on the flight mode or the aeroplane mode and things like that can be done through the bottom scroll button. It'll take you to the steps and you have to keep pressing it until you reach your settings. Yeah, once you are in settings mode, you can use the select button and go through the settings. The last is the activity that you are planning to do. So you have to press the select button and there you can go through your different settings. I hope that you like the video, and if there are anything that you want to cover in this video, let me know. As I mentioned earlier, that the community page on the Facebook is a platform that will help you get the answer of few of the things that hasn't been covered in this video, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.